Hi, Mama. Today is your birthday. I hope you feel very special today. Thank you for everything that you have been doing for me, Angel and Scotty. You're very special and you deserve all the happiness in the world. I love you, Mama, so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Me and Angela love you so much. You're such a special grandma to us, and you mean the whole world to us. Love you.
I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me.
Tandang-tanda ko pa noong bata pa ako. Di makatulog pag ika'y wala sa aking tabi. Hindi ko may paliwanag ang aking pakiramdam. Basta ang alam ko, ligtas ako pag nasa piling mo. Payakapin ay gusto ko nang matulog. Payakap ng mahigpit hanggat ako'y makatulog. Pakiusap huwag umalis habang ako'y natutulog.
Gusta ka na. Happy birthday. Sana parati kang malakas.
Happy birthday, Linda. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Linda.
Hi Linda, happy birthday! Ingat ka lagi dyan ha. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Linda. I love you.
I love you din po, ma. Sana po mapa po yung buhay nyo para makasama po namin kayo ng matagal. Happy birthday po.
Love you.
Love you.
Uwi ka na.
Happy
birthday, Mama Linda.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy! Thank you sa treat! We love you!
Mommy Lola, who has a kind heart and who loves her grandchildren so much. Thank you for all the gifts you gave us, especially the art supplies I really love. And mahal na mahal po namin kayo, Mommy Lola. And thank you so much for and again, happy birthday, Mommy Lola.
Happy birthday, Mommy Lola. Thank you for being my inspiration and strength. Wishing you a year filled with joy, love, and happiness. I love
Birthday
you.
po, Mommy Lola. Even though if you are far away, we still love you very much. Be safe and healthy po.
Happy birthday, ma. Sana po maging healthy kayo ni Papa at sana po mahaba pa po yung buhay nyo. I miss you. Love you so much.
Okay.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Love you, Mama. Sana umaba pa buhay mo, Ma, kayo ni Papa.
Love you.
Miss na kita, Ma. Uwi ka na, Ma. Kayo ni Ate. Thank you, Ma. Happy birthday, Ma. Love you, love you.
Ma, happy birthday. I just want to say thank you for always there for me during the times when I've been sad and many problems. And also I just want to thank you for giving gifts, giving toys and anything to my kids, my family. And you're my strength. You have wisdom that guides me, and your love comforts. And I'm wishing you a very happy birthday. I'm so lucky that I have a mother like you. I really miss you so much. Love you, Mama.